This week I've been testing the Hyundai i30 Fastback N. Now it's not your typical family car, but I have discovered it's got some surprisingly family-friendly features, and these are my top 3. Number 1 is the media system in here. It's really lovely and easy to use, and it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Number 2 is it was really surprising to find that with a rear-facing child seat installed in the back, a 180cm passenger could sit in the driver's seat in front. Number 3 is for a sporty car like this, it's got a surprisingly practical boot that I could get all my family stuff in. The Hyundai i30 Fastback N isn't a perfect family car, but I don't think it was ever designed to be one. Despite that, I've had such a fun week with it this week. And to see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.